This Makita 4.5 inches SJS II high-power angle grinder combines power, convenience, comfort, and motor protection features for longer-lasting industrial performance. It is ideal for cutting, grinding ferrous metal, paint and rust removal, shipyard maintenance, metal polishing, general steel grinding, auto repair work, cutting brick and masonry, restoration work, and more. It is equipped with SJS II, a mechanical gear drive system to help prevent motor and gear damage by dampening the force on the gear when the wheel is forced to stop. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. SJS II also features a leaf spring and cam gear drive mechanism that is engineered to reduce vibration for increased operator comfort during extended use. The 12-amp motor delivers 2,800 to 11,000 RPM for versatility and maximum productivity. Labyrinth construction protects the motor with a complex set of channels, prohibiting dust and contamination from entering the motor. Additional protection features include a zig-zag epoxy applied to both sides of the armature coil and a powder coating to the field. This forms a barrier under rotation and is engineered to protect from dust and debris penetration for longer tool life. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful 12.0 amp motor delivers more output and variable 2,800 to 11,000 RPM. Number 2. SJS II provides a leaf spring and cam gear drive mechanism that is engineered to reduce vibration. Number 3. SJS II provides a mechanical gear drive to help prevent motor and gear damage by dampening the force on the gear when the wheel is forced to stop. Number 4. Variable speed control dial enables the user to match the speed to the application. Number 5. Electronic controller is a 3-part electronic feature designed to provide the required power in high torque applications for increased tool life. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.